In this video, I'll show you how to easily and quickly reverse your video in After Effects and Adobe Premiere. We'll start with After Effects. First, we'll drag the video onto the timeline. Next, select the clip, right-click on it, go to Time, and select Time Reverse Layer. And there you have it. The video is now playing in reverse. Now, let's move on to Adobe Premiere Pro and see how to reverse a video. First, drag the clip onto the timeline. Select the video, right-click, and choose Speed/Duration. From there, just check the reverse speed box. Here's a quick tip. If you want to slow down the video, just lower the percentage. Let's try 50% for example. As you can see, the video slows down, and the same logic applies if you want to speed it up. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments below.